Did you know you can make fresh, healthy cranberry juice at home in just minutes? No preservatives, no artificial sugar, just pure cranberries. Stay with me and I'll show you exactly how. Here's all you need: fresh cranberries, water, honey, and a squeeze of lemon. That's it. Simple, natural, and packed with vitamins. Let's get started. First, rinse your fresh cranberries under cold water. Remove any soft or damaged berries. Clean berries mean clean, pure juice, and that's exactly what your body deserves. Add your cranberries and water to a pot and bring it to a boil. Watch closely. In just a few minutes, those berries will start to pop open and release all their amazing nutrients. Listen to that. The cranberries are bursting open. This is the moment all those powerful antioxidants and vitamins are released into your juice. Nature doing its magic. Now grab your masher and press those cooked berries down. The more you mash, the more juice you extract. We want every single drop of that healthy goodness in your glass. Pour everything through a fine strainer and press the pulp down firmly. Look at that gorgeous deep red color. That's pure cranberry right there. Don't waste a single drop. Cranberries are naturally tart, so add a little honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. No refined sugar, just natural sweetness to balance the flavor and keep it healthy. Pour it over ice and just look at that beautiful, vibrant cranberry juice. Made from scratch, 100% natural, and so good for your body. This is what healthy living looks like. And